and welcome to this installation video of Olixar's glass screen protector. The process will last no more than just a few minutes. Before starting, I would recommend turning off your phone, just so the screen doesn't keep activating during the application process. Within the box you will receive the glass screen protector and a cleaning pack, which consists of a microfiber cloth, wet wipe, dust remover and guide stickers. The first step of the installation process is to clean your screen. To do so, take the wet wipe and remove any dirt and grease from the display of your handset. Then use the microfiber cloth to remove any excess liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. Now, using the dust removal sticker, repeatedly dab the screen. This is highly important as you do not want any dust being visible between the glass and the display post-application. Once you are happy with the appearance of your screen, you can then move on to the second stage of the installation, which is to take the glass protector and peel back the tab labelled 1. When doing this, hold the protector sticky side down, as it will reduce the chance of dust becoming attracted to the glass. From here, place a guide sticker at either end of the protector. Lower the glass onto the display. Use the notch on the display of the device to help guide you. Our third and final step is to gently tap the centre of the display, allowing for the glue to then seamlessly disperse from the centre outwards. Smoothly run the microfiber cloth against the screen to secure its attachment. Your phone screen is now protected by Olixar's glass screen protector. It provides an almost invisible fit, allowing the glass to go unnoticed when attached.